With regard to handing over of purchase to the voters at election camps, the Election Commission must take steps to provide the requisite information to the voters by other means. Establishing of camps near the polling stations should be banned immediately. The Election Commission might manage to dispatch extracts from the voters list in the name of one or more persons living in a house at least 7 days before the polling day by post, or to save the postage by annexing such extracts with any of the utility bill. Only those election campaign activities should be permitted which, on the one hand, fulfilled the purpose of the election campaign and on the other were within the reach of the common man. The Election Commission should encourage certain activities based on their merit, namely door-to-door campaign, manifesto, canvassing on state television and radio, and candidate voter interaction debates, etc. Instead of involving the employees of the provincial governments, the employees of federal government autonomous organizations agencies, including the armed and para-armed forces, might be instructed to carry out stipulated functions at the polling stations. The Election Commission was expected to take effective steps in regard to computerized balloting at an appropriate time. The Election Commission should undertake door-to-door checking of voters' lists and complete the process of updating revision of the electoral rules by engaging army and the frontier courts to ensure transparency if need be. The Election Commission had to ensure that the election disputes were resolved at the earliest, for which it might consider establishing a panel of lawyers well conversant with election laws at the state expense to provide free legal services to marginalized segments of society. All necessary steps must be taken to make voting compulsory as early as possible. The voting system of first past the post violated the principle of majority. Therefore, the Election Commission might explore ways and means to introduce appropriate system of election including runoff election and none of the above options to ensure true representation of the people and rule of the majority. And the Election Commission should frame rules and issue instructions to provide legal sanction to all said measures and implement the same to achieve the ultimate objective of fair, free, just and honest election. Full stop.